Yo, what's going on, guys? It's GBALL. I wanted to do a quick unboxing of a couple things. The first one I just got in today, and the other I've had in for a few days. I just never got around to unboxing it. I wasn't in really a big hurry, but I was interested in comparing it to one other flashlight in particular. Um, but I have the Ohio River Jack Warncliffe here in the Jig Titanium, which I love this knife. I'm not a slip joint guy by any means, but this knife and the Tactile Bear are like the two highest quality slip joint style knives I have. This one being the highest quality one. It's a perfect size. It's got awesome walk and talk. It's nice and it's not too stiff, but it's got enough resistance to where you don't feel like you're gonna close the damn thing on your fingers, which I really appreciate. So I'm in love with this thing, but there's one thing I've been needing to get, which is a slip for it. I'll probably have a custom one made, but I decided to go back to traditional pocket knives and order one of his slips and see how. I talked to him and he said this slip would fit perfect on the Ohio River Jack. Got some goodies, some stickers, thank you card, bunch of stickers. He doesn't skimp on the swag. I have a TPK sticker up there, and then a bunch of my other favorite knife designers and content creators. So here is the slip. This is from Traditional Pocket Knives. This is the small slip. He's got 2 or 3 different sizes of slip. Oh yeah, that fits in there good. Yeah, that fits in there real good. The question's gonna be getting it out. Yeah, see, that might be a little too deep for the knife. Well, maybe once it gets broken in. I guess it doesn't have to go all the way to the bottom of the slip either. I'll have to fiddle with that. I haven't really carried this knife. I think I threw it in my 5th pocket once. But I'm not a big fan of dropping stuff in my pockets and kind of letting them flail all over. I like stuff being organized. So I really would like a slip for this knife. Hopefully this will work out. If not, I'll have to have a custom slip made for it. Go to Lancelot or Northwoods. But yeah, that will work pretty good. The second is an Olight flashlight. We'll use the pinion from Tempest Knives, which I just unboxed yesterday. This is out of the mailer, but I haven't opened it yet. Oh, I don't know that. I don't really need to. There we go. I was interested in this flashlight. I like the Streamlight Wedge, but it's a little big. If you have a wedge, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's a little big for an EDC style flashlight, and I wanted to see how this one compared. We'll move this stuff out of the way. Yeah, this is a nice quality flashlight. Olight makes good stuff. Oh, it's probably dead. I wanted to compare it to this, which this is the Streamlight Wedge. I love this flashlight. I keep it by my bedside now. Yeah, see, that's quite a bit smaller. The Arkfield, I forget what. I think it's on the turbo. It's 1,000 lumens, so it goes up to 1,000 for a couple of minutes, like 4 minutes, and then I think that pushes it to the end. I think it only has like 4 minutes. I think the Streamlight Wedge goes up to 600, 650 maybe on the turbo mode. But as you can see, this is quite a bit longer than the Olight. So we'll see. I'm a big fan of the square body. I like the cylinders too. Here it is up against the Raylight LAN, which you can see there, even the LAN, it's a little shorter, but it's a little bit thicker. The LAN's a little bit thicker. And here that's the copper Pineapple Mini. So you can kind of see there that it's a decent size, and the Streamlight is quite a bit bigger than all of these. We will have to, I'll be doing some comparison videos of different flashlights. I have quite a few flashlights, so I want to do some various testing with these. I test different knives every day at work, see what they can do, see what they can't do. So I'd like to do something similar with the flashlights also. And I'm going to be doing a couple different videos coming up. A couple different blade battles, picking certain knife blades and letting them battle out, picking a favorite. I'm going to do some top 5s and top 10s. I'm going to do some brand collections, some maker collections. I'm going to do some reviews of knives that I've actually had for quite a while, quite a few months, and actually put through some testing. So I will be doing some reviews, and then I'm gonna do some head-to-heads. So I got quite a bit of different stuff I'm gonna be bringing up the pipe here. I just have to get my stuff organized and figure out the layouts, and I got quite a bit I'm trying to figure out. So I'm learning, and it's been a fun process so far. Huge shout out to said Stevie. He's my bud. He's been a huge help. Faction also, and then all along the other guys along the way who have supported me early here. It's made me want to keep going and just see what happens. So it's been fun so far, and I got quite a bit more that I'm planning on doing. So I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good night.